Hi student, I am again present to teach you the online classes of South Point English Boarding Schools of class 10. The chapter name Carbon and its compounds. Let's go to the study. Organic chemistry. The organic chemistry is the branches of chemistry that deals the study about hydrocarbons and their derivatives is called organic chemistry. Student, the branches of the chemistry that deals the study about hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the compounds that contain hydrogen, carbons and their derivative oxygen, nitrogen, sulfurs, that is help to compose of organic compounds and their derivative like as hydrogens, nitrogens present with the carbons, that is the derivative is called organic chemistry. Hydrocarbon. You know about hydrocarbon? Hydrogen and carbons, the compounds. The Student, the compounds that is made by the hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbons. E.g. CH4, CH2, H6, etc. The compounds that is made by the hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbons. Now saturated hydrocarbon. Student, saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbon that formed by the carbon of carbon and hydrogen having single covalent sigma bond with all two sorry, all together is called hydro for example CH4 CH2 S6. Saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means those type of hydrocarbons that contains only sigma bond between hydrogen and carbons is called saturated hydrocarbons, that is composed altogether. So students, the saturated hydrocarbons is those type, for example CH4 C2 S6 is the example of a saturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, what do you mean by the saturated? Saturated means the bonding between carbon and hydrogens is sigma bond. It means they composed with a sigma bond which is very harsh and stable compared to the other bonds. So saturated hydrocarbon only contains the sigma bonds which is very strong, stable. That's why they are unable to broken easily, and so it is less reactive towards the chemical reactions. Now we are going to study about saturated hydrocarbons of compound alkane. Alkane, it is formulated by CnH2n plus 2. It means the Cn, C for carbon and N for number of carbon atom. Similarly, H for hydrogen and N for number of hydrogen. Students, this formula indicates that the C means the carbon and N represent the number of carbon atoms of this formula. Similarly, hydrogen, H for hydrogen and 2 is the formulated numbers and N is the number of hydrogen. So when we put the value of C equal to 1 and C equal to 1 and H equal to also 1, then this formula CnH2n plus 2 calculate the number of alkanes that present in hydrocarbons. For example, C, here N is equal to 1 and H and 2, N equal to 1 plus 2. So C1H2 plus 2 equal to CH4. What is this? This is alkane. So this formula shows us to calculate the number of alkanes derivative that is present in saturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, you can also calculate the formula by using the number of molecule number of hydrocarbons using this formula. For example, we take another examples of C equal to 2. When we put the C equal to 2 in this formula, we get the another type of the hydrocarbons, that is the saturated. Is it CnH2n plus 2, where C2H 2 into 2 plus 2 equal to C2H4 plus 2 equal to C2H6. This is known as alkane. Ethane, and it is methane. So molecular formula of methane is CH4 and the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. So this formula indicate how to calculate the molecular formula of saturated hydrocarbon. So let's go how to write the molecular formula of alkanes. For this we have to know about the international system of nomenclature of the organic compound of organic chemistry, that is known as IUPAC. It means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that teach us to how to write the IUPAC name of the organic compound of alkane, similarly alkyne, alkene. So it's for naming of this we indicate C equal to 1, then it became me, and C equal to 2, then it, and C equal to 3, pro. Similarly, me is for but, pant, X, F, hot, non, day. Okay student, I am going to stop my speech for the next days. Okay, bye. Thank you.